Okay, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel. It's me, Joshua, and this is Earth to Josh. You're welcome, and I'm glad you're here. So today we're going to be doing color grading tutorial for photographers. This is a great technique to making your picture look unique. So I'm going to be running out the intro now, and we'll come and start soon. Let's go. Okay. Firstly, we have to unlock this layer, duplicate it. It's always good to duplicate your layers. Okay. Then we'll select our layers, our style layer, and pick any. Let's work with our color mixer now. Okay. Before we go to that, let's start with the saturation. Hue and saturation is very useful for color grading. And to record your signature color, how to record your signature color, come to your action bar here, click on it, click on this here, create new action, name it grade 3, grade 01. You can name it anything you like. So then record, then it's recording presently. To stop it, you click here, and now, so whatever you do here now is going to be recorded and saved in this action bar here. So when next you need to edit a picture, you don't need to go through the whole process all over again. Just come here and play, and that's all. So let's work with our hue and saturation layer. Firstly, let's click, this is a little secret, click on this here. It's very efficient and easier to edit when you use this. So how you do this, you just click on any color on the screen and drag to adjust the saturation. Let's see, let's attain, okay, to red. So you drag this and you hold the alt key, the control key, sorry, you hold the control key to adjust your hue. So this is giving us a kind of aqua look now. Aqua, let's work with aqua. As you can see, it's affecting our subject here, and we can fix that. We can fix that. You know this, okay, we'll get to that soon. And then click on another part under color. Say let's work with this red. Let's change the color of the red. Control click to adjust the hue. Then what else can we do? Let's click on the blue, just the blue a bit. And now, to erase this from layers you don't want it to be, click on your colors, make sure it's black, click on your brush tool, and paint over the places you don't want the effects to. Be careful when painting though, because it has to be as perfect as it can be. So there you have it, your graded work. Just go ahead and click stop and it saves automatically. So before, after, before, after, before, after. This looks kind of like an orange and teal. This gives an orange and teal kind of look, which is quite popular. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it was really helpful. This tutorial was done for a certain person that commented on the other picture I did before, the astronaut picture. He said he needed a tutorial on color grading, and here it is. And this is going to be photography tip number 2 in our photography series. So please leave a comment below, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and share with your loved ones. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.